Technology may have been born from the synergy between science and industry, but its ultimate value lies in the power it exerts to better people's lives. Let's learn how the latest technologies are advancing the human cause.
Each infield is unique, but because most groundkeepers learn their trade through trial and error, it can mean reduced playability and increased player injury. Groundkeepers generally have little training in soil science, and in many cases don't know the composition of their existing mix. Too much sand can cause low spots in high traffic areas, while too little sand can turn the field into a mud bog after a rainfall or hard in the summer heat. USA Coach of the Year Todd Fitzgerald says he knows a thing or two about the condition infields are in.
16 years coaching high school baseball. Every year is something different, trying to take care of your field. You never know what kind of material you're going to get as far as the product that you get, and so you don't know if you got good groundskeeper that year or bad groundskeeper, your budget, no budget. So you do the best you can to try and make your field look in the best shape possible to have a winning product out there on the field.
Natural Sand Company has created the standard for infield skin surfaces with a product they call DuraEdge.
There have been no standards established for infield skin because typically it's thought of as an art, not a science. We have applied the principles of soil science to infield skins to create a product that is predictable, replicable, and testable in multiple locations around the country.
The company's custom blending expertise allows them to manufacture consistent soil from one batch to the next and customize mixes according to conditions. All DuraEdge materials are subject to independent lab analysis, where results are verified through a scientific lab report.
The amazing thing is that even though we've been playing baseball since the 1800s, there's never been a consistent specification for what constitutes a quality infield mix, even at the major league level. For the first time, by utilizing DuraEdge's engineered soil technology program, we're able to consistently produce infield mixes that are safer for the players, are easier to maintain, and ultimately allow the end user to get more ball games out on that field in any given year. This can lead to a tremendous cost savings and overall benefit for an organization in general.
The main reason fields can be too dusty when dry or muddy after rainfall is that the infield soil is not in balance. In order to achieve the proper balance of sand, silt, and clay, Natural Sand Company uses the principles of soil science in their DuraEdge mixes and amendments. First, the company samples the infield for laboratory testing, where the exact soil composition is determined. Next, the results are compared to the recommended guidelines of sand, silt, clay for that given field. Afterward, the proper material is introduced to balance the existing base soil, allowing field owners to renovate their field at a third of the cost of removal and replacement. Through the use of soil science, Natural Sand has established the ideal mix criteria based on the expected level of play, access to water, and the level of maintenance performed on the field.
The key to the success of DuraEdge products is that through soil testing, we know where the client is starting from in terms of sand, silt, and clay percentages. From that information, a recipe is developed for the type and amount of soil amendment to transform the field into an excellent playing surface. Without soil science, it's all just guesswork.
DuraEdge is designed to correct the imbalance in the soil by customizing a solution based on the current composition of the mix. DuraEdge surfaces are specifically designed to play down and firm to help players receive true bounces off the skinned infield as well as prevent injuries. Natural Sand Company offers DuraEdge surfaces specific to recreational, collegiate, and professional fields.
Natural Sand Company is changing the industry by providing a more scientific approach to infield skins and not simply pulling something out of the ground and using it on a ball field.